Happy Wednesday, last day of school. I am going to start you off with your Wednesday phonics lesson. We're going to start with rhyming. All right, remember I'm going to say 2 words. You repeat. If they rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, thumbs down. Here we go. Map, nap. Fish, dish. Dive, home. Low, bow. Shoe, new. Great job. Next one, onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words, and then I'm going to say the first sound that begins with both of those words. All right, so here we go. You repeat after me. Tuesday, toe, t. Friday, few, f. Wednesday, with, w. Saturday, sight, s. Monday, made, m. Great job. All right, our next one is our blending syllables, and we're going to be using our choppers again, and you're going to repeat after me the 2 parts of the word, and then we're going to blend the word. Here we go. Muff, in, muffin. Ham, hammer. Dirt, dirty. Jungle, jungle. Neatest, neatest. Awesome. Next is our roller coaster. So remember, I'm going to say a word, then we're going to do the roller coaster together, and then you're going to say that middle sound. Bag, ag. Middle sound, ah. Fell, l. Middle sound, eh. Sit, it. Eh. Good. Hot, ought. Ah. Run, n. Very good. All right, next one is we're going to segment syllables again, but this time we're going to say the word first and then break it into syllables. So repeat after me. Newer, newer. Happy, happy. Gladly, gladly. Winter, winter. Retie, retie. Very good. Next one is adding syllables. So we're going to start with a word, add an ending, and then clap it together at the same time. So repeat after me. Your word is cool. Add est. Coolest. Bright. Add est. Brightest. High. Add est. Highest. Large. Add est. Largest. Strong. Add est. Strongest. Very good. Now we're going to delete. You're going to hold a little word in your hands and we're going to take away a part of that word. You're going to repeat after me. Your word is helpful. Without full, what's left is help. Hopeful. Without full, what's left is hope. Wishful. Without full, what's left is wish. Playful. Without full, what's left is play. Thankful. Without full, what's left is think. Okay, our rhyme for today is hey diddle diddle. So I'll say the whole thing, then you say the whole thing, and if you want to say it with me, you can just rewind the video and we can do it together. Hey diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle, the cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, great job. Well, it was so fun working with you for reading this year, and I hope you have a great summer and enjoy. See you in the fall. Bye-bye.